This is a 1951 Chrysler Imperial Convertible, a unique car from the standpoint it was a one-year off car. It was the first of the Hemi engines, all power top, everything, and a little bit larger than the New Yorker in terms of the wheelbase. I'll walk around here and give you a look. The car, in my opinion, is a strong number 2. It's won a best of show, and under my care, 2 best of categories, one of which was last year. Chrome is shiny, very nice looking. Clear black window, back window. All leather interior in pretty much perfect condition. And again, bright work chrome paint, all beautiful. Wheels. These are bias ply tires. I recommend, if you're going to drive the car a lot, to change the tires out to radials. Engine has about 4,000 miles on it between myself and the person who did a rotisserie 4-year restoration of this car, and all documented. Probably one of the most documented cars you ever saw, because every nut and bolt, price you paid for it, the parts supplier, and who else has cars like this, apparently about 8, is also in the records. Back windows roll down with these beautiful looking winders. In front are power. Down towards the bottom, it gets a little sticky. That could be worked out with some use. And they can, of course, go down if you put a little lean on them. The trunk is full of parts and extra things that go along with the car. I'll detail those in a separate photo. And, so there it is. Very nice vehicle, and I've enjoyed my 20 years with it, and it's time to move on. I'm mid-70s, and I need to start reducing my play toys, and this has been one that I've just refused to sell. I love it so much.